Okay, so I just hit record, right? I'll be posting this for sure. I think a lot of Warning fans want to see this. So first off, thank you to Richard Edwards, who is here. That's your name, right? Because he literally made a Twitch account just to be here because YouTube, too many copyright issues. So we just switched to Twitch bars. And that's your name, right? Richard Edwards? Yeah, memory? It's midnight for me. And we've been live for 4.5 hours. So this is the last one for this stream, but we're going out with a bang. This is the Warning. So they did a concert, Shiprocked 2024 in February. Luckily, Kool-Aid Kid here in the comments put the timestamps, and the first song, the first one on the live performance is the one we're checking out, Animosity. I'm liking the video. Go support the Warning Army because they're providing us with this. And so the person who requested it, his username is S018. It's like a standard username. That's him. That is Richard. He filmed it. He is the person who filmed this, just to let people know. He recorded this. This is his video. That's on the Warning Army. So, thank you, Mr. Richard. Like the video, support the original. The link to the original will be in the description for the people looking for this video. Let's go. It's crazy. You recorded this. That's dope.
I've already collapsed. The waters drown my sorrows in a non-existent world. I don't know what is worse. The other ways, the time of eroding off my mind. A life needs to be dead. A bullet to the head.
Okay, so tomorrow, because I haven't heard the studio version. This is the first time, I think. Wait. Hold up, did I? Wait. I forgot. I do so many videos. I do so many reactions. I did not. I haven't heard the studio version of this. You're one deck up? All right. Bro, this is dope. You were this close to them. That's fucking dope. That's dope. This is a cruise ship, or what is this? It's a cruise ship. They're performing there. That is fantastic. Once in my life, I want to do a cruise ship because I've heard it's fantastic. I want to do that one time, like a cruise ship for a week, just cruise out with some friends or something, and just and then have the Warning perform there is crazy. So tomorrow I'll go live because I go live every day. We got to do Animosity, the studio version, okay? 6-night cruise. Hell yeah. Yo, she kills it on the drums, man. Elegant drummer.
Oh
That was you. She said the ship is going down or something. You said hope not because you're on a cruise ship. Are you a dad? Because that's dad humor. Are you a dad? Because that is typical dad humor. I hope not. Yeah. So what are you saying? You're a person that rides it. Was I mean? I can recommend that you stream from there and they cover your ticket. For real? Hold up. What? You're an arranger. You're a fixer of things. You fix certain things, as in you arrange certain things. You're the customer. I'm interested. That would be crazy. Going on a cruise ship and streaming from the cruise ship would be fucking insane. I would love to do that. I would bring Eshplum. That is dope. I don't know how the hell you would arrange that. I've never been on a cruise ship. That's actually very interesting. Ooh, that bass tie into it. Yeah. I really like The Warning, man. Great band.
We brought a little Mexican rock and roll. Are you ready?
I forgot. This is the whole performance. I forgot. I was like, yo, we're watching the whole thing, but no. I gotta go arrange some things and actually like go to bed because I gotta wake up early to do some work and stuff, my man. So I appreciate you being here. I'm gonna end it with this one. The link to, actually, I'm gonna send the link here in chat as well. This will go to YouTube if copyright lets us. I think it should be fine. This is the link. Yep. So the link will be in the description as well. People support The Warning. They are badass. They got a promising future ahead of them. And they're already in a great position. They're already killing it. So, hell yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you.